Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Breaking it off from the weekly time frame. Obviously, you know what to do. If you want to see the lower time frames, join our free Telegram that's linked in the description. On the weekly basis, this is what I'm anticipating to see. Jpyx, we can see prices did give us a strong pump and then correction, and now it's giving us that continuation. So you can see here prices have already given us the initial pump, retracement or correction, and now the continuation is just beginning or has just begun, as you can see in the last week's candle. Now what I'm really anticipating to see is this is from the daily perspective, is some kind of a rejection and a continuation of this structure right here, right? A bit of a retracement and then a continuation on the upside. So how will that be looking on the currency pairs? I'm looking at CAD JPY, as I'm anticipating to see a retracement before we get that continuation. Euro JPY, same thing. I'm looking for that retracement before we get that continuation. And obviously we know USD JPY, same thing. It's nowadays it's being influenced more than by the Japanese yen than the US dollar. So a bit of a retracement there before we get their continuation. So that's my view on the JPYX pairs for this coming week. Now, if you found value so far, please consider giving us a like, comment, subscribe, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this video. Now, once we hit DXY, from the weekly perspective, we can see prices on this support structure, very strong support monthly structure. Now, if we look at it from the weekly perspective, we can see last week prices gave us this solid inside bullish candle, not a confirmation but an inside candle, because obviously the momentum or the trend is clear bearish, but prices are on a support, a strong monthly support at that. So what I'm anticipating to see is a bit of a continuation until prices retrace to this broken structure before we get that continuation. As you can see, last week's candle created a new higher high and a higher low. Obviously, all this wasn't really clear because of a lot of momentum and fundamentals during the week. So it really didn't pan out the way we anticipated it to. But the structure is still clear as prices created a new higher high and a new higher low on the candlestick weekly. So it didn't close bullish, but created a new higher high and a higher low. Based off the structure, it's a complex structure. So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to anticipate to see prices push until somewhere here before we get the bearish continuation. So how is that going to reflect on the other US dollar currencies? Euro USD, for instance, I'm going to anticipate to see a continuation until somewhere on this structure before we get that pump on the upside. GBP USD, same thing, a retracement until somewhere on these along these lines, somewhere here on this structure before you get that continuation. Gold, same thing, a bit of a retracement. As you can see, the bullish has really lost momentum, so a bit of a retracement until somewhere here before you get that continuation for prices to create new higher highs. So that's what I'm really anticipating to see happen on this coming week with the US dollar currency pairs and the gold commodity. So if you found value in this video, please consider giving us a like, share with a few friends, subscribe, hit us with those comments. You know what's up. Let's have a killer week. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. Take it easy out there.